Good morning, Wolfpack. How you doing again? What's up? What's up? What's up? Wolfpack is in the house. Let's get this all set up here. My beautiful wolves. Okay. Oh, I forgot to go get a coffee. Did you guys get a link? You might not get a link. You won't for Froggy's stream this afternoon because that'll be the third time broadcasting. Oh, neck's a little sore. Okay, wow, YouTube's actually liking us this morning. Wow, that's crazy. They're actually giving us the thumbs up, 100% satisfaction on our bandwidth. I didn't even did anything. Anyways, it is what. Hi, Ma. D, what's up, Ma? How you doing? How's your canning going, Ma? So let's get into here. Let's get into some technicals here. Some technical. Thanks for all the love, guys. Thanks for all the love. Hell, I can't even message him. Oh, what is somebody? Just hang on a second. I'm just seeing something from the server here. What the hell are you guys doing now? Can't leave you guys alone. You Wolfpack alone. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Can't leave those wolves alone. They're causing problems again. So anyways, what we're looking at here, we're getting a negative pull down on AMC. Negatively. We're just getting a little bit of a downtrend. Nothing to worry about. It's like I said, it is... Whoa, what's going on here? Come on, upgrade. Oh, you can't do it on... You can't... Come on, Cameron. Get your friggin' shit together here. I knew there was something wrong with that right away. Yes, Christy, the guy, he does moon unit or whatever the hell, moon guy. He has the same avatar as Glock. I've already wrote him a personal message. I will be removing him in 2 hours from the server. Okay, that's a security breach. You can't have the same moderator or the same avatar. I've given him notice on it, but yeah. Yeah, he'll be removed in 2 hours. As soon as I go, we'll remove him. Actually, do you want to pull him off there now, Christopher? Off the server before we go live? Please. And then it'll get his attention, obviously. I'm just trying to get his attention. Like, okay, what are we looking at here? Okay, we're on AMC right now. $29.44 right, and we're at 2.79% negative pull down right now. We've dropped below the VWAP earlier this morning. We're sitting about. We dropped below the VWAP on Pacific Standard Time about 5:15 or about 5:20. We tapped out. And it had a negative pull down. This is just runs off of volume. Okay, so there's right here. This is a sign that's going to go up right now. There's my famous 3 crows. Okay, so doji style. Yep. So what we're going to see is this. This affects us, but it doesn't after hours. I just want to say that this is where the squeeze play will start, levitate towards out of this into the lit market, to the day market. That's how it's going to happen. Okay, I just want to be very clear on that. So I don't want to speculate on this, actually. You guys always ask me to, just because you like, I don't know why, but I try not to do that because it kind of goes against what we're trying not to do. But I want to just talk about what this is going to do here. But I'll hold back. It doesn't. Just hang on a second. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a test run on our server right now while I'm live. We're going to test out the bandwidth software. So what I'm trying to do is I'm broadcasting. I've got my TV on 4K, right? And I got my computers running, right? I'm drawing lots of bandwidth out of my house. The friggin' line's probably smoking. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna smash out the server right now. We're gonna hit that server, and people from worldwide are on it, right? We're gonna light up the world right now off of ours. So we're gonna hit that server, and it's gonna light up everywhere. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a test run right now. I want all the Wolfpack members to go in that are in the server right now. Go up and hit Wolfpack. We're not doing the email right now, unless you already sent one out, Christopher. It is what it is. I don't care. The email for later on is a different. I'm lucky to be on Pacific Standard Time, like Cam. Oh, Mr. L. Yeah. That's cool. Right on. I didn't know that. So anyways, I'm going to go in there right now. Wolfpack, just give me a minute here. A couple minutes before market opens. This is priority. This is how we roll. We were 100% success yesterday, or 99% success. Because there's a couple of new members that didn't understand, which is fine. That's why we're here. Okay, so I see a private message coming in to the moderators. Just give me a second. Oh, Christy's Mr. L is handing out ice cream right now on the server. So, okay, I'm going in the Wolfpack Lounge now. So all you do is just go up to the Wolfpack Lounge and hit meet. Okay, I'm going in the server right now. I could actually broadcast this live to show you guys what the server looks like. I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to... Actually, no, I'm not, because I got to configure it. I can later on, but I don't want to do it right now. So I'm calling. How am I calling? Waiting for others to join. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm already in the server. Oh, I can't do double cameras. I have an issue. That doesn't matter. What I can do is I can always... You guys don't need to see me anyways. That's all good. Cameras on, guys. Put your friggin' cameras. Oh, wow. It's already loading up. Holy shit. Wow, guys. Yeah. That's the way we freaking do that. The server's just lighting up. Wow. Look at all the people coming in here. Holy crap. Thank you for mics off. Mics off, guys. Mics off, please. Just because I'm broadcasting on YouTube right now. And just, yeah, please. Just when you come in, just mics off. Cameras on for new members. If you're, Wendy, you don't have to have yours on. It's up to you guys, StockWiz. But any new members, this is how you get yourself kicked off the server. Stefan, camera off if you want. When I say camera off, you can leave it on or off. So this is just, we do a security on our server here. Glock, I'm going to, Mr. Sanjay, I'm going to let you deal with, I know, just give me a thumbs up. This is dope, dude. It's running beautiful. Fuck yeah. Christopher, you're a friggin' genius. So anyways, Wolfpack, market is open in a couple seconds here. Sanjay and Mods, I'm going to let you take over the server. I'm going to keep on broadcasting on YouTube here. And, wow, this is beautiful. Oh my God, am I happy? This is my little baby. Look at it go. Look at it go. Damn, we've been working on this for a fucking long time. Wow. Yes. This is all for you guys. Okay. You guys wanted a live to be talking to me while you're trading. Well, your wish was granted. When we're in Mexico, you better buy Christopher a drink and give him a big, juicy kiss on the side of his cheek. All ladies. Me, I'll give him a punch in the arm. Anyways. I'm just reading. Okay, Wolfpack, I'm gonna market just opened. Yeah, just hang out. Just hang out there. Just if you got stuff to do, just leave your camera or leave your wow, it's just loading up nicely. Okay, that is Glock. Christopher, you want to pull Moonbound off, please, the server? Please. He's not answering any comments on here, and I just want everybody to be aware. This is how it is, for your protection. I've already done a background check. He's legit, but he's not answering his questions, which is concerning. Especially if you're on an AMC, it doesn't make sense. I just want to get his attention, so if we remove him from the server, he's going to know. He can't have the same avatar as our moderators. Oh, Ray, we're doing a test run. We're not sending an email. We're doing a test run from inside server. Just go up to the server and hit Wolfpack VIP Lounge and just come on and pull up a seat and chill out. Okay, I'll let you talk to the new people here. Sanjay, I'll let you talk to them. And I'm just going to stop talking here. I'm going to mute myself. Okay. Can I run two cameras? Am I live on camera right now? No, it's trying to kick me off. It won't work. Okay, I'm going to mute myself. You guys mods, you got the floor. Okay. Thanks. Just everybody please stay in here. And if you've got something to do like housework or chores, leave your computer on, please. And just turn your camera off. Mute your mic, or have your mics on, off. Sorry, muted. and just go do what you have to do. I just want to test the bandwidth out here. We're not going to be discussing anything till 9. Thanks, Wolfpack. I love you guys. Lots. Fuck yeah. Yeah. We got this, man. We're going to make some... You guys are... Well, we're going to do really good. We're going to smash this, man. Nobody else has anything like this. Fuck yeah. I had a vision. Me and Christopher did. Here we go. We're popping above the U-walk. Lock and load. Lock and load. Come on. I'm going to pull back here. What's GME doing here this morning? GME is doing the same thing. Do we got a mirroring here? Do we got algorithm mirroring? I'm not talking about price mirroring. I want to be very clear on that. What do we got? Please do. Pretty close. Pretty close. Damn it. Guys, it's going to rip at the same time. GME and AMC are going to go at the same time. Okay? I'm almost positive on that. I'm about 85% bullish on that. Okay? Look at that go. Look at that. Beautiful. It locked and loaded. Here we go. Here we friggin' go, Wolves. Oh, well, hey, good. Well, that's cool, Pixie. Welcome to the voice chat package. Thanks for the upgrade. We're gonna work on some stuff. I'm so confused about the server. Right? I gotta let the mods deal with it. Sorry, I'm just seeing the server stuff up. I'll let you guys deal with it. Yeah, Pixie in the Woods. Yeah, you can run it with your camera off because I know you're out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, we can make that work. I have some things for you. Actually, I was thinking about you the other day when you mentioned that. Okay, we got a 4.10% pull down. Okay, don't worry about it. It's these apps. This is normal. This is normal. AMC overall, probably like out of the calendar year, 90% of the time it comes out red for the first bit. Damn. Look at are we getting a good feed on YouTube? We are. Okay, this is how it's going to go in the squeeze. Everybody out there, this is how it's going to run. Okay, we are running all the software. I cannot believe it's all working out like this. Oh, I got to hit the TV here. What's going on? Loading. See, it's starving for bandwidth, which is fine. If it dies, guys, I'm trying to kill it. I'm trying to overload it, and I can't. I'm trying to overload the server. I'm trying to overload your server, Christopher. Not blow it up because it has fail safes in it. JP's in the house. JP Lawn and more. Guy has a dope channel, prospecting channel. There we go. Pumping 4K. Pumping 4. Is my computer? No, my computer's not even overheating. Oh, we got dropped one frame. We dropped one frame. That's nothing. Hang on. Whoops. We dropped one frame 2 minutes ago. That's it? One frame out of 14,000 a second. That's friggin' nuts. That is nuts. We're getting yellow now. YouTube's starting to hate us a little bit. We're on the hate list. 64% of my CPU is being... Oh, went green. 65% of my CPU is being used right now. Christopher is... That's okay, right? Obviously. But, that's... Give me your feedback as my IT on that. Because I don't know... I know how... I understand, obviously, percentages, but... Is that good? We need more members on WebEx. Yeah. Well, a lot of people are working right now. I can't see on there. So anyways, I'm going to just get into this here. I'm going to keep this solid on YouTube, all this stuff here. Sundial is up 76 cents. It's 4.70%. 5% dead on. Okay, I do need to go over to the server for 1 second. 18. That's not bad actually though, guys. Why can't I get back on the fucking thing? What did I do now? What did I do? What did I do? Okay. Oh, there we are. Perfect. Look at all those millionaires on the server. You guys are all smiling, happy as hell. Okay. Oh, whoa, what was that? I'm just looking at the stocks here. What's going on? Your meeting may have problems because other apps are using CPU. Close any apps you don't need. Christopher, I'm getting a warning from the server saying that your meeting may have problems, which it's not. It'll just mess the camera up. It says that I'm overloading. Oh, that's my computer. Oh, that's nothing. Oh, fuck it. Burn the computer. I'll just buy a new one. I don't give a fuck. It's all about YouTube. Okay, so let's get back into that. It won't. My computer has a failsafe on it anyways. I'm just joking, guys. Look at all you... Oh, more people are in. Look at all you beautiful people. Wow. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you guys, ladies. Okay, what did I do? There it is. Okay, back on to... I'm going to hit a... because this, I have to refresh this because when I go off the screen. Sundial is earnings call. They had an earnings call, right? That's what's driving this right now. Good morning, BMO. Are you on the server, Jamal? It says the WIVX that I'm not as okay. It says I notified that I'm in the. Okay, you're good. If you're in there, you're in there. Alex, you don't need link address, dude. If you're in the server, you're in the server. You just go up to the Wolfpack Lounge, and if you're not there, this is what that means. There's an issue with you. That means you need to contact our IT or myself, and we need to get you on the server. This is what I'm doing as a test run. So I'm going to do a screen share now. I'm going to share this stock screener right to the server, and we're going to see what happens. Okay? So this is fucking dope, man. This is dope. Chrissy's all jacked. Jacked up in the meeting room again. I can only see 6 thumbnails and number... What? I don't know what's going on. Christy, what are you using to broadcast? Do you have a tablet using computer? I told you, mods. I told you, brand new tablets. Brand fucking new. 32 gigs. I only buy Samsung when it comes to that. Okay? Go get one. I told you I'd pay for it. That goes for all the mods. I need help to join. Okay, wait, I can't do it now, but send me an email. Have you, yeah, there you go. Did you ever contact Chris? I'll let the mods deal with it. Sorry. Or else it's, I'm micromanaging, which is not cool. Okay, we're going to do a screen share right now. And we're going to light this fucking thing up. Okay, where am I? I'm going to bring this over here. Oh, wow, look at you guys. Okay, who's that? Hector, you can turn your camera on off if you want, because I verified you that you're not a bot. It's up to you. You can leave it on if you want. I've seen you, right? So I got your voice recognition or your face recognition. I'm just joking. I'm messing with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do a screen share. It doesn't mean anything. Just kick back. What I'm doing is sharing a stock screener right now. Okay, here we go. Share. Did anything overheat? Is anything? Oh yeah, the CPU's not. Holy shit! Wow. Oh. It just dropped way down. The fans just kicked in. Oh, I can hear it going. Boo, 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 boo. Wow, my computer almost started levitating on the desk. You are sharing your stock screener. Guys, Wolfpack, can you see that? Do you want to hit me up on anywhere and just give me a thumbs up if you can see that stock screener on there? Because I need to go live. Fuck, we're going to be able to do some dope day trading on this, man. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm such a geek, but if you guys don't even know what this means for us. Sky is the fucking limit now, man. We have tapped into something that nobody else has done in this world. Nobody's done this before like this. I know they've done things on Discord, but that's everybody on Discord. It's all recorded on Discord. Everything is recorded. Even your faces, your camera's off, they're recording you. Okay, it's just how it works. Stock screener is working. No way. Yeah. Okay, so can you guys see on the stock screener right now? Can you see my cursor moving? And then I'm just gonna leave it alone and just leave it on. We're just gonna leave it on for a bit. Just give me a double thumbs if you can see my cursor. I'm gonna switch to AMC now. I need to know this because if this is it, you guys are gonna be fucking loaded with money after this. I got some moves for you. That means that we can roll into any stock exchange, like Canadian or American, and oh man, you don't even know what I got in store for you guys. Had to split I couldn't hear anything. Okay, that's fine. That Glock, that's fine. Give me a double thumbs up if you can see my cursor, please. Yes. No way. So I can do in real time, because that's what our server is. I can actually do. Oh man, I'm not even gonna talk about it because I don't even want. You guys will end up passing out probably. But you think the squeeze is gonna make money? I got some stuff. Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh man, yeah, that's crazy. Wow, this is all running. This is all running off copper lines, man. 2 copper lines. This isn't supposed to happen. Okay, so Wolfpack, thank you. Thank you. T, we're what we're doing is using a template of Webull for our stock screener because the algorithm. Halt now? What the fuck is halting? What's halting? Halts now. They're just sending everything to the. Yeah, well they but I just want you to know they don't trade synthetics, my friends. Synthetics aren't on the market. Synthetics are bought and stored at your brokers, okay? Synthetics, there is something invisible the algorithm can't read visible air. Does that make any sense to you? Okay, and I have information to back that too, and it's just common sense, right? But I know that, but I'm not saying don't stop buying shares. Trust me, that's just in your pocket. Oh shit. Okay, okay, I got a private meeting with Dominique. Okay, what's going on here? What's going on here, Dominique? What's going on, Dominique? Did you hit a private meeting with me, or did I fuck up here? Something's happening here. Anyways, it is what it is. I don't know what I did. Wow, Cam, you are still in the server with screen because I don't see a thing. I think that's you, dude, because everybody else give me thumbs up, double thumbs up, man. I'm in the server, but I'm blocked out, dude. I don't have my camera on because I can't double camera. I could if I had 2 cameras, but it's young. I will go live with you. I've done it with a handful of people on Google Meet. I'll just contact me. Are you a wolf? No, you're not. You need, if that's up to you. If you want to join the channel, oh, you're having problems with finding are you iPhone? Oh, okay. You have an iPhone. Okay. Don't worry about it. Send me an email and I'll go on live with you. Okay. Live for 5 minutes and I'll walk you through it. Okay. I do that now because it's just easier than back and forth. So cstrades101@gmail.com. Okay. The mods will put that up on the chat bar. I want to explain something to you guys. This is normal, okay? This is normal to have a pull down, okay? It's impossible to have a whole bunch of green days and consistent forever. It doesn't work like that. We're in a market collapse, okay? I don't care if it's gone up for the last 5 days, all green, up 300% on overall on stocks. We are in a market collapse. The economy is fucked right now, okay? And we're gonna have that. We're gonna have negative pull down. We have stuff against us, okay? There's a time and a place for everything. We had our time and a place a couple days ago. I'm very bullish in this. I'm stronger in AMC because a lot of things that I thought that in my mind that I was speculating on that I have not mentioned were 100% true. It finalized some of my my thinking. Like, I don't want to really talk about it live because I don't want to. Why would I give to the prize away before we even got to the race, right? I'm not talking about AMC. I got some shit that I just worked out. As you guys know, I'm a master at building trading bots. Okay, that'll go in the market and as a person, not a person, and will just make tons of money. They're highly illegal. Okay, they weren't when I built mine. I run it off a Python Linux program, and the thing goes in there and reaps fractionals. It'll trade up to 150 times a day on every stock. It'll go in there and take like 0.05%. And it'll just trade. And then at the end of the day, chunk, chunk, you got a big paycheck sitting there. Okay? And it even deposits it in your bank account. And you can actually ghost it so it doesn't even look, because the synthetics, there's issues with the stock market. They gotta start looking at URLs and stuff like that. They should hire me to do this shit about that. I would make it so fair for you guys. But I just wanted to say that it's highly illegal. My bot is put in its cage right now. If it's going to be used for anything, it's going to be used for, I've already been approached for it, but I don't want to, I got to patent it first. It can be used for cancer patients, for counting white blood cells, depreciation, okay, and cancer cells. That bot can be used for that, okay? You just got to switch the coding to something else. It's easy to do. My bot is a news bot too. It picks up how many times news is talked about around the world on Google, Reddit, Facebook. It's called hits. That's what it does, is it compiles the news, does the market, and a whole bunch of shit like that. And I'm not the only one to build these things, okay? But mine's unique, okay? And it probably will be used for the better. It's just I don't want to put it out there because I don't have enough money to copyright it and enough for a fail-safe and insurance. I need like a $10 million, $20 million insurance policy on it, because if you're dealing with anything to do with people's lives, it's not, I don't trust it enough to be judging person's life. Do you know what I mean? So I just want to say, try muting YouTube and coming on the muting. I can't because the camera. Oh, hang on. This is how my mind thinks. Stop getting me so excited. Yeah, you guys, sky's the fucking limit, man. Trust me on this. My word's my friggin' word, man. But hey, do you know what I do? Jealous people, I thrive on. Because you know how jealous people always try to take you down and fuck with you? That makes me, it actually makes me grow bigger and stronger as a person, because I learn stuff off of that. Okay? Not that I thrive off of somebody being jealous, but it's a weakness on their part, right? Why be jealous of somebody? I'm not saying they're jealous. They're just jealous over things in general. There's a certain group of people, same as with when you make thumbnails or something and you don't do it to their... I'm not talking about wolves. I'm not talking about anything like that. I'm talking about just people in general. You guys know that. That's just common sense. I'm not talking about jealous what I have. I hope that not. I don't see anybody that way. I'm talking about people in general. Maybe there's nobody jealous about me. Maybe there's just a bunch of fucking assholes out there. Right? But yeah, just a lot of the ticks come out of the wood when you give them the opportunity. That's all. We haven't had an issue with us, I think. Okay, so Wolfpack, I'm coming on through my droid here. Just give me a second. Damn, look at Warren all happy. Look at him. Just OG. That is Warren. Yeah, that's OG Warren in there. If you can't hear me, he has to listen to YouTube. So I know we're a little bit off. We're doing different today, my friends. I will get into technicals here, but the family comes first, right? You guys know that. And this is how YouTube will be running, like this, okay? This is how In the Squeeze will be running. This pack, the Wolf Pack, has priority over my voice, okay? I will not be trading live on YouTube. It's illegal to actually do that with a stock screen, bring it up and do your thing. I show my positions like this. Yes, that's different. Or I'll say I'm buying shares. But I just wanted to say that that we skirt the laws of YouTube tight enough. That we don't need to just poke them as we walk by. Okay, I'm joining the meeting off of my drone. There we go. We're in. Yeah, what's up, Wolfpack? Look at all these fucking... What's all these sexy wolves? So here's what the server looks like, guys, off of my phone. So all the Wolfpack members can see that. That's just a cap of what it looks like. And then... Wow. Okay. Oops. So that works. So this can work. It works. So wow. I wonder what's... And my computer's cooled right down too. That's the killer. Chris, you're fucking the man. You're the fucking man. I can't believe this. What?
You keep breaking up.
Okay. I'm breaking up because I just wanted to come on here to broadcast it. It's because we're what I will do is I'm gonna have to set up a different camera and I'll have a headset on, linked to you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Okay. Just you guys, you can break off. We're gonna shut the server down. We've completed it. Okay. See you at 9. Love ya. Okay. There he goes. There we go. So yeah, I'll just hook up another camera. Oh. Just hang on a second, guys. Oops. Just give me a second. Oh, you guys are awesome. I'm getting a bunch of love from them. I love you guys too. Like I said, this is you guys. This is not me. You guys make my mind work like this. Okay. Yeah. Server wolves, you can just end it. 9 o'clock. Go through your email link, please. Notification push. Thank you. See ya. I'm leaving the meeting. Go enjoy your day. Oh, my phone's still on. Okay, yeah, we're having this. Look at on this squeeze chart indicator here. We're having the negative pull down. That was worldwide too. That's coming from the UK over to Italy, Sweden. That's amazing. I love it. So technology's come a long ways. I wouldn't even worry about this. Fuck it. I'm buying shares right now. Fuck it. Perfect time to buy. What are we at? 27? What are we at? Yeah, fuck it. I'm loading up. Is that Pantheon? No. Just hang on. I know I'm all over the place. This is what happens when I'm happy. Oh, thanks for all the love. Hit the like up. Hit the like down. It doesn't do anything. It's a algorithm push. It doesn't do anything to the channel. If you hit it, you give the channel a strike up. YouTube's non-biased. Okay. So if you don't like somebody's channel, then don't hit the thumbs, because if you hit it, you just gave them a positive on their channel. It's called a traction hit. It's a traction on the algorithm. Okay. And that's just one indicator that you use. YouTube uses. They use thousands on everything. So I just wanted to tell everybody. That's why I laugh. And Pantheon was laughing about that too. People are just. Oh, here we go. People are just don't understand some things in general. You think that YouTube's actually going to give you the rights to put somebody down in a harassment manner, like, because people do that. They go around just doing that, right? Trolls. It doesn't work like that. You're actually helping their channel out by doing that. Not that I got any thumbs down. I'm just saying that in general. I was the one that actually looked into that. I actually wrote them a letter, and then 2 days later they switched it from. They used to have thumbs up, and then now it's not thumbs down. It's just a dislike. I don't know. They gave me a letter for a feedback on it, and I wrote a bunch of stuff out with some screenshots why I don't like it, and then all of a sudden it was changed. They already had that algorithm, the like up, like down, because it's a non-biased company, right? That they support the movements of everything, the gay pride movement, Aboriginal movement, the black movement, right? Brown movement, which is up here, Indian movement. They support everything. They're tied into everything. They're. I don't mind Google, actually. It's just that they're not that good with their security. They're too open. So, just in my word. I have an iOS. Do I need not? No, Jeremy. No, you don't. No. I cannot believe it, Wolfpack. I cannot believe the mods. Go pick a tablet out. You guys are. They won't buy tablets. They're like, well, we got a phone. Okay, whatever. It's there then. Well, go grab your shirts then. Okay, please go pick out your shirts out of the merch store and just copy and paste the shirt what you want and what you want one. Okay, the t-shirts, please. Or if you want a coffee mug instead, go grab one of those. Or if you want a cell phone case, if you want whatever. Boxers, Wolfpack box. There's everything on there. I had to get an extra help, so pick me up a big package. I'm technically challenged. Right on. Warren, get a new phone. Tablet. Go get yourself a fucking new tablet, brother. Oh, he just got a new phone. But no, you can use a tablet. It's part of. No, I can't tax rate it off. It's coming right out of my pocket, or YouTube's pocket. I don't. It is what it is. My word. I think we're the only one in history that's ever bought all their mods. What do we have? 8 mods now. So, that, right? Because that's what it's for. It's like I said, unless it's money donated to Have, and it has to be specially for that. Okay, that is his money too, right? And if you're donating to Have's cause, the cancer thing, the fuck cancer that we made, hashtag fuck cancer, specify that, please. A lot have, but specify that if that's where you want it to go, or else it's just going to go into our tip thing. I'd like a bong. Well, actually, I got something better. You can get Wolfpack stickers. I think they're only like $2 or something. You can put that on your bong. Right, okay, but getting on the server has stressed me out. Oh, that's just coming in. I don't understand why. You're already on the server, girl. Jeremy, do you see the Wolfpack VIP lounge when you go into it on the left and you click on it and it's chats? That's all you do. You'll take some Sundial products. Yeah. Okay, so I need to, what was I going to do? I was going to do something. Okay, we're going to get into some technicals here, my friends. Thank you for participating in that. You've made us some of the state-of-the-art stuff. What you just did was you gave us enough data to go to the next level. We're ahead of everybody in the world on this shit right now. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, like you just designed some new state-of-the-art stuff. With the data that we got back from that, we got some stumps coming. Just wait. Everything's gonna be so you don't have to do anything. Okay, voice retina scan, all that kind of stuff. We're working on some software, so you don't need to be at your computer. You can make money trading while you're not even there. Trust me. As long as you're on the server, you can log on to a name and it will trade all day for you. Okay, and no, it doesn't lose money. Okay, that's where it has fail-safe systems. Okay, so we're working on something like that. It might take about a year, but we will not be releasing it to the public. That is strictly our tool. Once you start releasing it to the public, then you have to it's a whole different thing. Okay, anyways, what's Warren doing? Is he crying? I'm just bugging Warren. I wish my phone still had a cord connected to the wall. Okay, anyways, I'll just read your comments. Any ticker? Throw some ticker up for me, guys and ladies and jets. I don't look at stuff like this when it's in this area. I don't roll like that. Okay, I don't recommend looking at this when a market is like this. Set your alarm and just walk away. Go to a different trade. It's not psychologically healthy to be looking at shit like this all day. Okay, I'm just telling you right now. What you're doing is you're upsetting your. Oh, we just went above the VWAP. We punched it. It's got a lock and load. What you do is subconsciously you stress yourself out. Okay, I'm telling you right now. You might not think you do, but you do. Okay, I know a lot about that stuff. That's why I have no fear in motion, and I'm into trading. Everybody does have a little bit, even if you don't notice it. But I'm very grounded in that. That's why. Oh, I know what I was doing, buying shares. That's what I was doing. That's why I turn into a different person when I'm trading. You're like, I'm very direct. I don't really joke around that much when I'm actually doing trading like that. The serious me comes out. Okay, we didn't lock and load. We just had to pull back, and we have to retest that VWAP. What is it? Is that a trend? No, there's no trend line there. So we've actually dropped down. Yeah, it's the VWAP isn't. The VWAP is not a resistance point. Okay, I should have said. There we go. I should have said that before. I use it just as a volume. It runs off a volume. It has nothing else attached to it. Okay, it's a volume indicator. I want to be very clear on that. Look at this big candle. Okay. Oh, don't pull back. Lock and load. Load, lock in and bounce. Bounce, baby, bounce. Lock and load. Fucking A, it's sealed. It's a sealed deal now. No reversing back no changing that now. It is a past. It's now in the past, that candle. Here we go. So we've just had this major pull of volume coming in here. We are cracking over 500,000 right now on the 1 minute. We got $700 million volume right now on the green. Okay, between the two candles. This one hasn't locked and loaded yet. Oh, we almost got a mill, or mill. Yeah, we almost got a mill. Sorry for swearing. I'm on Streamlabs. I try not to do that. We're over a mill. Yeah, there you go. That's how you do that. Locked and loaded. Come on, load, baby. Lock, load. Ah, it did a reversal. Shit. It doesn't matter, but it doesn't have enough steam to stay up there. That's what the problem. Why is it? What's going on here? Nio. Ray. Stay the hell out of Nio. Don't. I'm on YouTube. Shit, I gotta watch what I say here. If it was me, I wouldn't be trading any Chinese stocks for the next 2 years. Okay? If it was me, the market is having a 30. Everything's going bankrupt over there. Okay? They're not in a good spot right now, and there's more coming. Okay? They hide a lot of their media. Okay? Well, I know some people that live there that have a translator that have translated me some information. They're in trouble. Big trouble. Okay? I would not be, if it was me, I got to keep on saying that because I'm not speaking for anybody else and I don't want to. I have my own voice, right? So if it was me, I would, if I own stocks, you make that decision. A lot of people pull out and just don't want nothing to do with them. They're not transparent. I'm not talking about the people in general. They're beautiful people. I'm talking about their government hides a lot of stuff. You cannot even find out things about your stock even. It's all vetted. Vetted means that it's all taken out, it's all security. They have, their internet connection to the rest of the world is watched and monitored through lots of things, through keywords, through actual physical people. It's sickening. It makes me want to puke, okay? I'm just telling you straight up on that. It's very sad, and I don't recommend looking into it because it's going to blow your friggin' mind out of the water. It's going to make you a different person. It's very sad. It's sickening what they do to their people, right? So I'm talking the government because they're beautiful people, right? Nobody should be treated like that. I need a tab. I'm looking tonight. I need a tab. I'm going to look at it tonight. Glock. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's just a lot of it's common knowledge, but you need a VPN to get into some of it. I can hook you up, Glock. It's pretty bad. I won't be posting the links on here. The average person can't handle it. I'm telling you right now. Because it will change your outlook on things. And once you get changed and jaded, it's hard to change back, like on some things, right? That's why we have this. That's a perfect example. That's why we have problems with some of these creators coming out. We know who they are. That have been vaporized, and some of them are still around. They've been putting this bad information out there. It tarnishes the subconscious mind. Okay, to get that impression out of there is hard. Okay, even if you don't believe it, your mind will keep on reverting back to it because your human body does not like change. Okay, the mind does not like change. They look for the shortest route, the most efficient. If you notice you do your job and you do it, and the finished product is 100%. Your mind will try changing that to make it better and better and better and better. That's called self-destruction. The human mind will destruct itself, okay? If you give it a chance. I'm just telling you. I know a lot about this shit. Okay? It's never happy. You might think you're happy, but then you'll have it'll figure a way to calculate the odds and to come up with a solution on the other end that is concerning, right? I fight with mine all the time, okay? That's why I don't watch a lot of YouTube. I don't watch social media. You guys always ask me why. Why don't you do that? Well, because I wouldn't have all this stuff for you guys if I wasn't. Perfect. Good. Perfect. Good. We're doing a purge on our channel right now. I love it. I love it. Once you leave, you can't get back. Oh, I'm just reading a comment. Ha! That's funny. Yo, smash the leg. Oh, thanks, Doug. Good. I'm glad we're purging. I've been waiting for months for a purge. Okay, my friends. Damn cool email, Christopher. Dana, cool. Email Christopher. Okay, I'm just going to go through some stuff here. I did email Kim, but yeah, I won't check my emails till after. Excuse me. Or else it's just I have in the past, but then I go on it. It's easy to get me off on a topic. You guys know how he's going off again. Froggy. Oh, I thought he was in here. I seen a frog. I seen a frog. Oh, did you see his new avatar? I don't think he's... Oh, no, he didn't put it public yet. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Oh, yes, Jeremy. Yes, I do see some ticker here. Oh, Mr. L. Okay, there's a bunch. Okay, I'm on it. I'm on it. Yeah, there you go. Not a problem, Christy. Yeah. Get that fucking... Go. Get. You guys are too polite. I got the best team in the world. You guys are such real people. Okay, so I'm on the stock screener right now. Let's go look at some stuff here. Okay, I got everything done. Yeah, I am, Doug. I'm just there's a 15-20 second delay on YouTube, right? That's why day trading off, well, it's not good, but a lot of people are talking to you about your stocks and stuff like that, and you're trying to listen to another channel and sell stocks. It's probably going to shoot you in the foot. Okay, they need a better system of communication than that. I don't know who's going to be doing it, but we'll be broadcasting live, but we won't be doing live trading. I can tell you that right now. I won't do that to people. 15 seconds is a quarter of a candle, right? 1 minute candle, and that's a lot can change on a squeeze play. Okay, so lack of volume right away, but that don't mean anything. That's the first thing I see. So I was asked to explain more. When I look at it, when I go into a stock I know nothing about, I'm gonna explain this. I'm gonna keep on talking like this, okay? Because what will happen is you'll just start doing it, okay? Out of the blue, and you're like, well, how did I make that $20,000-$30,000? And you'll question it, like, how the hell did I even know how to do this? Subconscious mind, don't underestimate it. Oh, Christopher McClellan, welcome to the channel. Christopher M. Okay. So we're on this ticker here. I'm going to jump in here and we're gonna tear this apart here, rip this stuff up. Okay, so I'm looking at this right now. First thing I see pixeling on the screen. I don't see any test. I don't see any candlesticks either way on these. These are just computer shit, pretty much just lots that are purchased. I'm seeing that sporadically across. That's a sign of low volume. And let's have a look. Yeah, 2,000 shares, 4,000 shares. Okay. Which there's not a problem. It's above the VWAP. So this is not used to trading on volume. Okay, that's one thing that I can see right away. No dividend, which is fine. That you don't need that. $10 on the high week. It's sitting at half price right now. It could be worse. Free float 7 million. There you go. I already knew that. I bet you it's a pharmaceutical or something to do with medical device, or it could be something to deal with social media. Like a cell phone, not a cell phone provider, but something to like a cloud or something like that. Okay, let's have a look at the profile. E-commerce, nailed it. There you go. Platform, online platform. I said a cloud. I don't even know what this stock. I've never seen it before in my life. I can tell by looking at the size of float and the volume. You can pick a lot on that. Okay. Those two things, and the third one is the dividend. Usually, if it won't have a dividend unless it has to meet certain criteria for the NASDAQ to become a dividend play, right? There's a bunch, actually. Retail, especially retail apparel, and yeah, that's it. Yeah. So yeah, e-commerce based subscription company, kids clothes, subscription boxes, toys. So yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's a cloud-based company. They use that software. Okay, let's have a look here. I'm going to jump down on the questions here. Okay, so good morning, Proud. Okay, I don't see anything on that. They got news. Their financials came out 5 days ago. I'm not going to jump into that. Obviously, it wasn't that good because it's still sitting down high. And that doesn't necessarily mean anything, okay, because we're in a market slide a bit. It's something to look at, but I'm just saying that don't just go off the financials, because if you did that, look at AMC for all of their financials pretty much. Is it witching day this week? No, that was last week. Okay. So, and that's a big concern too, witching day. Okay. It's on a negative pull right now on the algo. The volume, yeah, really low volume. Okay, I just want to double check that. So what we're going to do is a pullback right now. The financials, year of date. There's missing information here though. Q3. Why is there not a Q2? Why is there missing information? That's weird. So they're gaining money. They're making money, right? Balance sheet. And I don't like using a stock screener for this information because they're not obligated to put correct information on here. It's a good practice too, but I like to go actually to the company because they have to put the real information out there, right? They're obliged to. Okay, so we're gonna do our pullback now. Okay. Oh, we went below the VWAP, which whatever, it is what it is. 30-minute. Okay. I like some stuff here already. Okay, so I'm a 50-50 now. I'm 50-50 the more I look at it. 50-50 on this. I would have to dive into it more. I'd do the 5-year pullback and look at their financials on that. Javier! Did I see him? Oh, never mind. Somebody was just... Is he in here? Usually he gets shouted out. Maybe somebody's just talking about his shirt or something. There's some merch. Oh, there he is. Javier the Great. My brother. Holy crow. That was crazy. I didn't think you could post that many wolves on Tony D's our Mass's live stream last night. Holy crow, you lit the whole page up with wolves, man. That was dope, dude. I thought you get locked out for... Oh yeah, you're a mod. That's how I'm thinking, how the heck can he... The guy's got connections. And welcome. Almost one of my first subs there. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is this is fine. This is retail, okay? I'm seeing this up pull and consolidation's fine, right? And then this is, like I said, there's uncertainty in the market right now. There was a whole bunch of trillions of dollars dumped in the friggin' market in the last week, okay? I'm going to put it out there. Nobody knows what happened, okay? I don't care there's a lot of speculating, but nobody actually has the real proof behind it, okay? I've looked around a little bit, but I don't really care because it's in the past. It doesn't mean anything. It's not in the future, okay? So it's already happened. So it's a dead topic, really. It's all been invested. It's already done its stuff. It's already pushed the algo, and the algo's already retreating back down, okay? So it's not just because of one person saying something. I just want to be very clear on that. I don't know if anybody said that, but that's usually the first thing that somebody tries taking credit for it. There's a whole bunch of things happening around the world right now. People are starting to see the light of day, and they're starting to move stocks around too. Out of blue chip, that's what I've seen, but I don't have enough information to make a podcast on. I have to be 100%. I see it, and I know for a fact that's happening, but there's other things involved in it. Okay. So I'm seeing this right again. This is beautiful. Retail until this. This is fine. This could have been just a bad day or maybe earnings call or something like that happened. But this is what I don't like, which is I'm 50-50 on. I'm not bagging this stock up and throwing it out the window here. So this push, this is what I don't like. But there's a low float. So this could have been just somebody buying, right? After hours, an institution maybe wanting to get into it. It moved this up big time, but they didn't buy that much, right? Yeah, see, they didn't. I didn't even check. $1 million somewhat, that's not that much at this price for an institution. So $2 million, that's really not that much, right? It is, but it's not. To us, yes, but not to a big company, right? So, and right here, I was seeing this, and this clap, that's fine. That's a fine. That's just day traders getting out of positions. Maybe they're closing positions here. I can tell by the candle. We did have it would have gone higher, but we had a retracement here. It just didn't have enough steam to go. Then it tried to pull back and pull this back down. It couldn't do it. So it went up to the next level. And then this is normal. So what time is this? Probably about 8 or 9 in the morning, right? 7, 8, yeah, 8 in the morning. Yeah, 9, nailed it. Okay, so this is how I trade. If I was to make, hang on, 6, 7, yeah, on a penny stock, which is it's only in the dollar range now, I still class this as a penny. I would have made my $1,000 or $2,000. I would have been done for the day on this stock. Okay, this is just how I am. I can pull out. I usually pull out of the stock up to even 20 minutes into the stock market. If I get over above 10%, I pull greed off the table. Of course, I'm going to look at the couple indicators I use and do a speculation on it. But if I have any doubt of over 10%, I don't mess around. I pull out, right? So what I do is if I make that a day, but I trade with $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 increments, okay? Because I make sure that it's going to work out to my favor, okay? Because when it slides, it slides. But I have 3, 4 fail safes set up that the second one you can't punch through. It's impenetrable. The Wolfpack stuff, okay? The first one is kind of like a test zone. I'm not going to get into it on here. But yeah, it's a really good, and we're expanding on this stuff daily, right? We're growing with a lot of these stuff. So AMC is coming back a little bit. Okay, Highcroft is up. So when is the earnings call? Highcroft is feeling AMC. I wasn't gonna go say this for another couple days, but we're seeing every time Highcroft goes up, AMC and GME, because they're tied in. For some reason is it the same people? I'm gonna check something. Just hang on. I don't want to close that statement until I check something here. But I'm 50-50, maybe about 60-40 on this. I'd have to look more into this, the financials on this before I even got into this. But I like it. Give me a second. I see some other ticker coming up here. Fuck them. Can I explain Witching Day? It's already passed. It was last Friday. Every third Friday. There's a couple things that happen. There's barge. There's a bunch of things that close on that day. It's a third. It's just a superstition. Okay, a lot of people will not trade on that day, and trust me, there's a lot. It's just a superstition. Okay. Witching Day has not been the best for AMC and GME. Every Witching Day, it goes red, okay? Pretty much. I think there's 3 or 4 out of the whole year and a half I've been in or whatever, right? So I'm going to... That's funny. You're in my daily prayers. Oh, that was nice, Warren. Same with mine, man. You are. Yeah. And do you know who's wearing off on me? His ma. Miss Harris. She is. She's wearing off on me. Crypto Bass. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to dump into... What was I going to do for you? I was going to do something cool. Something fucking cool. This is what happens when you have a calculating mind. Sucks sometimes. Oh, Highcroft, mine, AMC. I'm going to look into something for you guys before I make this closing statement on it. Yeah, see, we're getting this. It's changing. I'm seeing it. Look at GME. Now it's in the green. Oh, I know what I was going to do. I'm going to check some of the hedge funds documents here. I'm going to go into their fucking computers here and check out what I'm going to their mainframe that they all talk on, and we're going to pull some shit up here. So I want to find out, make sure I got my VPN on here. I got to set some software up before I do anything fucking around with them. Okay, I'm ghosted. Let's go have some fun. I should put a Wolfpack emblem that comes up on their computer. I'm joking. So there you go. Didn't I just say this a while ago? Okay. GME and AMC. I said when this Hycroft is tied into the same algorithm, the same companies own it, that you're going to have an up pull, okay? Look at this. And that was, what, 5 minutes ago. And this was in the red, like 3%. This was in the red, 4%, okay? I seen that. I know. Like I said, you guys all know, I know how to read algorithms, okay? That's an algorithm. You're reading them. I want to really see that nickel. Does anybody have that nickel, the last 20 minutes or last hour of that thing recorded? Does anybody have that on this channel or anywhere? That could really help us out. I need that data. I just need to look at it. I can read the data and just put it in my own words or my own formula. I just need to see it. I just want to see what the algorithm was doing. It can really help us out in the future, especially on the squeeze. I need to compare it, and I'm going to do an overprint of the Volkswagen squeeze. I'm going to, they're two different gens of algo, but the base core is still run off Python. So yeah, proud. I can still taste Sunlight soap 3 days later after I was on Froggy's channel. Oh, somebody on the pack. Oh, I didn't even see that. What's going on? Hey, brother. How's it going, man? Welcome. Well, I've seen you before, Ramen. You've been a member for a while, haven't you? I think so. Okay, so I'm going to go into, just give me a second. I'm just entering their fucking network right now. Welcome to Hedge Fund Douchebag Central. This is your captain speaking. Okay, let's go over and have some fun. I should leave a little pile of shit on their desk, eh? I'm joking. Holy crow. Mods, look at the jar. Look at the big mug of beer on my front down below, right down there. Holy crap. Look at all that. Those are memberships and things. I did not know. I got to empty that out. Holy crap. I've never seen it like that before. That's all you. That's all the wolves. That's you guys in there. And I like it. There's the big gold nuggets in the bottom. I don't want that. I would rather just these titles in there instead. Is what it is. So let's get into some doc here. Let's look up some doc here. I'm just waiting to access it right now. It's on a time stamp thing. You can't just roll in. You gotta wait. I'm just waiting for it. Access. Oh shit! I'm not on the server. Okay, because if I was on the server, that might mess me up. Because I don't want to show my URL. I gotta make sure that's blocked. Okay, it's blocked. Okay, just waiting. What time is it? It's not. Okay, yeah, I'm good. Okay, let's wait here. Why is it taking so long? Why is it taking so long? Everybody's laughing. Everybody knows what I'm up to. Ha! Everybody knows what I'm up to. All my mods know what I'm up to right now. And no, I'm not going to share what I'm doing. Definitely not. Sanjay knows what I'm up to right now. He's like, dude. Okay. And no, the average person doesn't know how to do this. And no, I'm not going to show anybody. Definitely not. Okay, I gotta clean my tracks up here. Okay, I gotta make sure what the fuck I do. I can't click anything while I'm in here. Okay, what are we looking at? What was I looking up? Because I don't like to be in here too long. Oh, Hycroft. Oh, yeah, it's... I always remember MC, because of MC. Because of one of our subs. That's how I always remember the ticker on this. Okay, here we go. Mainframe in, just like that. Fucking dummies. They're not as smart as everybody thinks they are. My IT part, you got to thank my IT department for that one. Sandy dropped dimes. Okay, so anyways, they're trying to block us. Server, what the hell is that? Warning. Do you want to accept? Fuck no, I'm not accepting. They're so stupid. I'm going to write them a message saying it's just their IT department doing a checkup. I shouldn't have done that actually because I might have screwed myself. Okay, there you go. Yes. I just got full authorization only to this one page. Yes, they're still trying to block it. Okay, anyways, I'm in. I've got full access now to just one page. There's trying to fuck me over here. Okay, what was I do? Oh yeah, I was gonna look for inside trading. Okay, this thing is the short percent of float is over 50% now on this. Okay, I'm not saying it's a squeeze play, but it's up on the it's the number one shorted percent of shares on a stock in the history, not in the history, but right now the whole New York Stock Exchange right now. No, I'm not saying it's gonna squeeze, but can it? Fuck yeah. Okay, but I'm not saying buy into it. I'm not saying anything like that. Be very careful. You are in with sharks. Okay, like there's a reason why AA bought into this. Okay, he's not stupid. He's already made a killing on this thing. Okay, actually, and there's I know some stuff you guys don't know. You're going to be getting some killer DD in the next 2 weeks. Something that I'm not even going to say the creators' names. It's in our group. You guys got a gift coming. Very good gift because this person loves you guys. Okay, I'm not going to say anything else about it. Not to anybody. Not even to my subs. Okay, what happened here? Oh no, this is on Highcroft. I was thinking, what the hell? Okay, I'm going to get into they're selling their shares like hotcakes on there too. White Box Advisors is dumping their shares. Holy shit, are they ever? They're clearing. Everybody's selling on there. High Bridge Capital Management's dump. They're all in insider trading is selling. There's actually a signal saying sell. Weird. I've never seen that before. Oh, that must be a notification from the hedge funds that they're selling. They must have a sell signal or something. I don't understand that because I don't know. Okay, so this I've told you guys before. This is an insider play. Okay, it's totally different than what we're used to on every other thing else. Okay, this is why it's very dangerous to play with this. Okay, like watch yourself. Like you can get really hurt on this play. You can get bitten, once bitten, twice shy. Okay, if you're gonna go in here, go in with a full pack of wolves, because we can kick ass in there. But I'm not going even. I would not go in this because. Not that I'm afraid to, but I wouldn't take anybody in there unless they were fucking at least a year or so of trading under their belt. It's just to do any kind of trading in there. Yeah, I know enough to stay away from this because I'm in AMC. But if you own, I'm in AMC like large, and I would not mess around. Okay, so this is the facts. So these are the numbers. Okay, these are the real numbers. Okay, this is not Ortex. Ortex is junk. I would, if it was me, I would unsub from it. It is junk. It's a waste of money. Okay, so 44.22%. So 44 and some fractional, which is 22.22%. So 44.22% of shares are held by insiders in this. See what I say? Okay, very different play. Okay, percent of shares held by institutions is 40.26%. Okay, and these are 100% accurate. Okay, or no, about 97% accurate, because something could have changed today that isn't on here yet. They have up to 2 days to update their SEC documents because stuff does get have to be signed off. They have to report everything, but there's a little bit of a transition period between, because they have brokers too that deposit into SEC keeps track of all this stuff. There's acquired, sell, and deposit. Okay, those are their coding. Some of them. Okay, percent of float held by institutions is 72.17%. Did you hear me? 72.17%. Nuts. Okay. And listen, number of institutions holding shares, only 46. Talk about friggin' stronghold, right? It's unpenetrable. Right, it's just it's there. Yeah, I don't even want to get into this that much anymore on that. Like, I just want to get it because I don't want to. Okay, so Mudrick Capital. They just this is just freshly updated actually. We already knew Mudrick. Mudrick and AA have had a thing for a while. Okay, they own 40.38% of the shares in this company in the float. Okay, straight up. It don't go no other way. Okay, if anybody's saying anything else, they're wrong. Okay, these documents are what the SEC has. These are official documents. Okay, and this is what all the brokers go by. Okay, this is the stuff we're not supposed to be able to see. This is the stuff they're trying to make transparent. Okay, and this is the stuff that FINRA needs to get the correct information, not because the rule states that they should give the information up forth, right? But it's in good practice. In good practice, what doesn't mean anything. There should be something. It should be something in law abiding. Okay, not that they believe in the law. Okay, White Box. We already talked about advisors. Owns 14.16%. Okay. Highbridge Capital. We all know who he is. They are 7.84. And then I'm just going through these because, and you guys this will all be recorded. You guys will know this, okay? That's why I'm saying it, because it's recorded on my channel. And you can play it back whenever. And these numbers can change within 2 days, okay? I'm just being very clear on that. As of now, this is it. So as of Friday, if you get me to go through this stuff on Friday, by Saturday, it's all updated, and then it's so accurate that it's crazy, okay? So Vanguard Group only owns 2.67% in this. Okay, where the heck is? Wow, Citadel isn't even is way down. Oh wow, yeah, Citadel. I want to explain some stuff to some people. I've been doing a lot of work compiling information about Citadel. Citadel isn't as big into everything that they've lost a lot of money with Evergrande. Okay, I could potentially see them going in bankruptcy protection in the next 6 months. Okay, if not sooner. They're over leveraged. They've been kicked out of China in 2015 for shenanigans. They've screwed themselves. They're shysters. Okay, they all know that. They're one of the biggest in the world in options plays. Okay, that's where they make their money. When people are out of the money, it's an inside organization. Okay, it's very corrupt. They run the market with high frequency trading and movements of the dark pool. They're using these tools to their advantage to your disadvantage. Okay, they're manipulating the market. Okay, they're one of the worst at this, and of course they coincide with other people. But that's the problem. They're going to be gone in no time. Okay, so I just want to be very clear, because I keep on seeing a lot of these stuff, especially on Stock Twits and YouTube and Twitter. Citadel this, Citadel that, Citadel that. That used to be the old way. They've screwed themselves. Okay, that used to be back in the way. Okay. But it's not like that anymore. We got some new players in the field, okay? Some big wigs. If you look at Vanguard, BlackRock, and then look at Citadel, go look what they're worth, okay? Citadel will get, they know that. Citadel is going to get squashed like a bug, okay? A little bug. They're not that big. But look at the most recent financials, okay? They are over leveraged big time, okay? So I just want to be very clear on that. Do you have any questions while I'm on here? Lock, that's way. Does anybody get it? Oh, hey, Tandy. What's up, brother? I do want to do a collab with you. Does anybody get it? Oh, I know you do, Tandy, because we've talked about this stuff before, and you're just amazed by some of this stuff. But it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Just it's up to you. I'm not going to... I don't make stuff to try to convince people. That's up to you guys, right? I don't care. I don't care what you guys think, right? I do this for my... I do this just to get it out there. And it is what it is, right? If you want to take it and run with it, it is what it is. I do this for the group of 8, right? So they've asked me to, a bunch of them. This is our expertise, stock squeeze experts. This is what I do. This is my masterpiece specialist stuff, okay? It is what it is, right? We all have our own roles, and that's mine. I will always be this person, right? It's my life, okay? There's only a couple people that can have access to this stuff. I'm not saying I'm the only one in the world. I'm not. But this stuff in the wrong hands could be very dangerous to us as retail investors. Just remember that. Okay? I'm not saying I'm anybody special. I'm not. Okay? The person that giving this access is special. Okay? They're probably breaching their job in a lot of ways. And we have more than one person now, so it doesn't matter. I'm not saying we're anything special. Okay? It is what it is. It's you guys are special. That's what it is. So, Wolfpack, what do you guys think? Oh, I got somewhere. I got to go check some ticker. Thanks for the wolves, Tandy. Wolfpack, I love your name, your handle. Tandy Time. That's cool. So, we got an honest working guy here. This guy, Tandy, does videos on good deeds. Okay? Probably one of the first in this order, like constantly. He makes it his number one priority above everything else to make people happy around him, and good deeds like holding doors open for the elderly, moving when he's in a seat to let some elderly person sit down. Somebody drops their groceries, will go over out of his way while he's with his family and go and help that person, no matter who they are, what nationality, whoever they are. Okay, I know this. Okay, really good person. So that goes a long ways in a wolf's eyes. Those are good character traits, and I need more of it. I'm speaking for myself. I can't speak for anybody else, but good person to hang out, because that stuff usually, I like to hang out with people smarter than me, and he's smarter in that area than me. I like hanging out with people smarter than me. I don't like being the person with the knowledge. I don't like that. That's why I hang out with Pantheon. I like people way smarter than me. Okay? And there's a reason for that when you surround people that are smarter than you. Think about that one for the day. Okay? Is Froggy Styles. And Froggy Styles is way smarter than me in options and all that. And I have my forte. I'm smarter in some areas than he is. And we know that, right? Which is good. And as a team, we're rocking the shit. Right on, Froggy. And I'm joking around. You know that. Not the whole thing. I was just joking with Froggy. We have a little joke thing as friends. I'm feeling Froggy. See? He threw it right back at me. Yeah, we need help. Others who are in need. Yeah, that's all we're about here. That's why all this YouTube money is. I don't want it. I don't want it. It goes to people that need it, right? And I will keep on doing this forever. I will not change. Okay? And if I get off a track, my mods will call me on. They do. Well, not that I don't, but they'll remind me of stuff. Oh, you said this, Cameron. You said this. You said you were going to do this for donation. And I'm like, yeah, thank you. So, Herein said, mods. Oh, don't discredit yourself. No, I'm just, I don't like undermining people or looking down on them. That is bad. Okay. I've had it done to me a lot in my life, especially by employers. And it's number one no. If somebody does it to me, they met their match, because I'll destroy them mentally eventually, right? Not that I'm vindictive. It's just that I take that as a blow. Everybody should be treated equally, right? Unless somebody is mentoring you, like on an apprenticeship, or if you look up to somebody, like I look up to Pantheon, he's the DDO Master of Art. He is one of the best I've seen in the history of this world when he does something. And I can say that as myself speaking. I'm not speaking for anybody else. And I'm not kissing his ass too. We're friends. I don't need to, right? But I'm just saying that I really respect and he has a killer radio announcement voice without a voiceover. No, but the way he comes across is very professional. And I wish I was more like that, okay? So that's why everybody has their thing in life, right? And I'm grateful to know him. And he's... There you go. Yeah, Sanjay said it. Surround yourself with people who are positive and send. Yeah, there you go. That's exactly it. That's what I'm saying, but I'm trying to break it down more. So anyways, I'm not going to, that's your guys's spiel for the day on that aspect. I've talked about it a couple times on my channel. I just want to know everybody's equal, but you are who you make it as. And if you think you're better than anybody else, you got something coming, right? If you mention that and talk about it like that, you're narcissistic. You got issues, okay? Because people that are smart don't talk about it like that. We are what we are. That's right. That's right, Sanjay. Thanks, guys. Pantheon. Yeah. Oh, he's getting some love. And this is right back at you, bro. Because he does this to me on his live chats. I'm like, oh my God. But it's all good. What time is it? Do you guys want me to carry on or do you want to wrap it? What do you guys want to do, Wolfpack? I've given you some smash and DVD here on this. There's a lot of, I know a lot of podcasts that have been made on this. I've been letting them all roll out because I don't want to sit here and discredit people. There's only two people I'll hammer on forever in my life is Tony Zane and Lou. Those are the only two that I don't like what they're doing. They're hurting people, innocent people, and I just don't like it, right? So, and I'll never change because they met their fucking match, okay? And I'm not going to be making clickbait videos out there. I just did one. I'm allowed to make my one, okay? But yeah, and I'll go toe to toe with them anytime, right? On DD, if you want to talk and they think they know their shit, I'll go toe to toe on a roast, if you guys call it. It is what it is. I will stand up for every one of you, even if you're on a wolf. And when I say wolf, that the movement, we're not wolves, apes. We're not divided. Okay. I'm not an ape. I'm not. I'm a wolf. Okay. I'm a human. Okay. I don't call myself an ape. That was past. Okay. A lot of people take it. Oh yeah, I'm an ape. That's just the name. Well, maybe for you, right? I'm in the movement. I'm a trader. I'm a trader. Okay. If you want to call yourself that's up to you, right? I call that's my avatar. Okay. That's my, mascot for my channel. Just so everybody, a lot of people are like, whatever, is this a movement thing? No, we're all in the same movement. Ape, wolf, but Ape Nation, that is what they've called themselves to start a movement. I've been part of this since day one. Okay. It's a movement, right? So it's part of one realm. Okay. And a lot of people have tried destroying that. It's very strong. Okay. It's like a field. So I just want to be very clear on that. Okay, thanks, Mr. Owl. I'll look at that up. So, yeah, I just want to be, because I've never really talked about that. I've been asked about it, too. And I've just, by new people coming to us, right? And just, I've seen some comments on the server. I'm not going to mention it. And it just kind of, like, why did it? Oh, maybe they, yeah. I want to be very clear. Because now I said it, now it is done, right? It is what it is. So, I just want to be that. It just, yeah, like Froggy has his frog, right? That's like, do we have a frog movement? We have the Froggy Style Show, but so yeah, I just want to be very clear on that because I've never mentioned that before. Yeah, Doug, I'm doing it. I'm all over it, bro. AEI. I love you too, bro. AEI. I was just sitting there thinking. I was thinking about something. I'm just working on this project that will that is way bigger than the AMC movement. Okay, I got something in the brewing. There's something happening that people are got. Okay, yeah, Sanjay, I just got that message. Keep him on the server, please, and apologize for me. It's just that's security protocol. Yeah, I'm not going to say anything live because I'm on YouTube. I will write him a personal message. That definitely trumps anything. I just had to get his attention. It got his attention. Okay. Yeah. Oh, mod. Yeah, there's a lot. And yeah, it's not for everybody. Even we got a mod here. I'm just going to say this might not be for everybody. Okay. And I don't want you to try to fit in because you won't, it's not for you. Okay. It is what it is. Just be yourself. That's all we ask. Be yourself. Okay. I did, Sanjay. I can't read it right, but I got the gist. It pops up. I get a live feed from the server. I know. I know. Don't worry about it. Not in like it's all good. I got it. That's why I went quiet for a bit. I had to regroup. Yeah, sorry, man. I just that's yeah. I'm looking your ticker up. If you would have known what the message I just got, you would have been like, I've been roasting Teddy Z for a week now. Usually I don't read comments like that, but it's all good. I'll broadcast that. Oh, he's yeah, he has hurt a lot of people. We've got members over here. I've gotten some emails with I told him what showed how much they've lost. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, begging for help. And I'm like, well, fuck, how am I supposed to, I can't get your money back. But they have some shares left over they wanted to get put on this recovery thing with us. So on the 3 system, they wanted some tools and stuff. And yeah, because I went live, I'm not mentioning names. And they told me to, that's not, I wouldn't anyways. But they said it's okay if I mention it. So yeah, we're getting a big issue with that. And I said, well, go talk to him. He erased me off the channel. He won't talk to me. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I messaged him and I can't message. I said, I know what he did. Because you can override that. And he flagged you. That's what he did. Douchebag. So, I'm trying to find that. I know I got it. I got it here, guys. I had my thing jump here, my screen. Sorry. My screen jumped. I was just reading something off of from you, brother. Hey, there it is. My ticker screwed up because it was trying to go back what I would. I'll be okay. I have a lot of feelings, emotions tied into you guys, and I just read something. I feel bad for some of you. Sanjay, you want to send that person, ask them if I'm going to send them a Wolfpack shirt, please, to that guy on the channel, please. Okay, can one of the mods contact him, please, and tell him to go to the merch store and pick out a t-shirt that he likes, please, on the Wolfpack. We'll pay for that. Just tell me what, just get him to email me his address, please, with phone number, please, and postal code, or zip code, I guess you guys call it. Thank you. And if he's in the UK, just get whatever I need. I'll priority it to him. Actually, I'm going to make a personal logo up for him. So tell him to pick out what he wants. Thank you, Wolfpack. Thanks, mods. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's get into some financials here. I'm going to pull it up on... Oh, I actually pulled up something better for you. I'm still on their documents. Damn, I thought I was off their computer. Shit, I shouldn't be on here. I thought I was on their mainframe. Not their computer. I'm not on their piece of computer, but I'm on their access point. Okay, you guys want to know? I'm doing something good, better yet here. That ticker symbol. That ticker symbol that you wanted, Doug. KAEI. The ticker symbol that you were asking about is I'm gonna get you some information. It's a real estate, right? You know that. SSR is off. It's trading at 49 cents and some chump fractionals. Okay, it is not a squeeze play. This will not squeeze. Okay, I know it's not even. You weren't even asking because of that. Obviously, it's under the threshold, like big time. It's only 2.87% short of float. Okay, only 22 plays. Okay, I know you didn't want to know that, but I have this up. I gotta. There's the director for this company, Chang Heng, just bought a whack of shares. Just gonna get into the SEC to see if these are legit. Yep, they're legit. So I'm just pulling up Form 4 right now. I just want to get this because I'm already in here. I'm shutting this access point down here, and I will not be accessing it for the day. Do they have a brand name as DSS? Is there 2 names for this stock? Wow, that's a lot of shares. 38 cents. Okay, I just want to double P. Okay, I just want to check something here. Singapore. That's where the company's out of. Weird. Weird. Okay, anyways, I'm out of here. I wanted to check something out. I'm off this. I got to get the hell out of here. In there too long. Okay, so, whoa, radio voice. Okay, I got to bring up my other screener. Okay, is that right? It's real estate, right? Am I in the right one? I got to start reading my comments. Oh shit! I forgot to buy some shares today. Do you guys still want me to buy some shares? What's the price at here? I'm multitasking here, my friends. Oh, that looks awesome on a 4K screen. Okay, well, we still got a couple people watching us. I wanted to make sure I didn't lose everybody with my emotional speech there. I have to talk to the pack. That's right. Hey, brother. Oh, hey. You have a good day, too. Okay, I'm gonna look in this right here. Okay, low volume. We're on the 1 minute here. I just want to make sure that this is this it? No, this is proper. Oh, okay, maybe it is. Is this the right one? Is this the right one there, brother? Mellow Doug. Mellow Doug. Yeah, you're probably a hothead too, eh? That's funny. Fuck anyone who is negative. Just against Kevin Frog. Whoa. Yeah, you are hot. I like you. Right on. So, Doug, can you? I know there's a delay here. I just want to make sure it's the right one because there's 3 underneath this one. Military or ex-military is very good. Okay, that explains everything, Doug. Definitely. You got a kill switch. I like it. Everybody should have one. A kill switch. Smash the like button. Don't forget to hit the IP address. Okay. Hit that button. I'll look up your IP address and stalk you. God. That's hilarious. I challenge you to try to hack my computer. Actually, don't, because what will happen is I got Christopher's homemade VPN on here, and it'll actually it'll screw you. It'll mess your computer up and shit, man. It's unpenetrable anyways. I got better stuff than BlackBerry. So I'm waiting for Doug to message me here. Have a great day. Okay. So I'm not going anywhere for a bit. I just want to make sure I got the right ticker here, guys. AEI, because there's a bunch under that. I'll check it again. That's the problem with some of these things. Yeah, there's 3 of them. NASDAQ or Toronto Stock Exchange. It's not an energy, you said. So waiting for you, Doug. I know there's a lag. Thanks, Sanjay. I appreciate that. Make sure you get a hold of him and tell him, can you post the link over to the merch store, please, for him? And just tell him to, don't ask him, tell him to go grab something out of there, on the shirts. Okay. Yeah, but I'm asking, I'm asking what it is, Doug. Okay, I'm just going to go off on a whim here. There's an energy. It's totally, okay, that's not it. Delisted, that's not the one. Okay. Yeah, see, there's a lot of stocks getting delisted lately. Okay, so I'm into this chart. We're going to do some low volume. It did increase here. I'm going to pound through this fast for you. Overturned 4% and some chump. $13 high. That's a big difference. Holy shit. And that's bad. That's actually bad. That is down thousands of percent. Oh, fucking thousands and thousands. Damn. No dividend. Pretty low flow, which that means they can do damage to it if it's low. It's medium. It's all right. So let's do a pullback here for Doug, Mr. Kill Switch Doug. That's your OG name, Kill Switch. I like your style, man. I can already tell we'll get along fine if we were hanging out together. So I don't like this. I don't like it at all. I would, Doug, I hope you're not into this. I would stay the fuck away from this stock. It's bad. It's bad news. It's corrupt, as well it all is, but it's stale. It's not good. It's not good. I would not play with this with a 10-foot pole. I see 100% flags almost every second day. You're into this? Okay. I hope not, Doug. And if not, it'll have a cycle. I can't guarantee it'll go to $13. Cam, yes. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to ask for your position on live, but if you want to disclose it, I can. 72 cents, 50 cents. You can talk on there. I can't put those numbers in there, but you can. I can't control that, and YouTube knows that. Yeah. So it all runs in cycles. I just wanted to tell you that. That's a pretty big cycle for it to hit. Let's do a five. Let's do a bigger pullback here. Let's look at the big picture here. Yeah, shit. Fuck, I feel for you, Doug. I feel for you, bro. Do I ever feel for you? Oh my God, it's a fucking pump. Shit. Holy shit. Wow, this has some history, this bad boy here. Damn. Oh no. Oh. You're not. Oh, Doug. See how much I love you guys. I was stressing for you. I'm thinking about how can we. Okay, you're not in it. You just made my day, Doug. You see how stressed I get over you guys? Damn, I was my calculating mind was going. I'm thinking, okay, what tool can we make up? Can we make a tool for him to make money on this play to recoup some of his money? Because these are huge. This is high frequency trading, big time. They've hammered this. Okay, this is a pump, guys, and I don't give a hell if it's over a month, but this is a pump right here. Okay, this is a pump. I can tell you. I'm just gonna predict, or I'm just gonna say it is without even looking into the financials on it. Damn rates, that's a pump. Yeah, $1 million sticks. $1 million sticks. Yeah, that's a pump, but they weren't expecting it to come down. So this shows that there's a lot of bag holders. There's a lot of people that didn't want to exit. So there's a lot of people holding this stock. I can see it. This is what's going to be like. Okay, I'm going to show you guys something. This is perfect. This is beautiful, actually, Doug, and thank you. You actually brought some information that I can go off of and teach off of, okay? And this is 100%, okay? This is what AMC is going to look like, and then, as Lou would say, fact check me afterwards. I'm just joking. I just had him pop in my head because every time I look at a pump, I feel sorry for the people in Clove. Okay, that's why I cover this stuff, or else who cares, right? But I want to be very clear. This is how AMC was at the $72. Okay, this is what it's going to look like in a squeeze. Okay. Okay, so it's going to go up like this. There's the knife edge, but we're going to see a red on there, okay? Because this is a pump, it's not a squeeze. So this is what it looks like before the 72. Things have changed. It's all different now, okay? Like I said, and I know this. 3/4 of the people, half to 3/4, we don't know exactly because of the cent there, sold and bought back in, but bought in more. They actually added to the position. We see that. And I wish I would have, right? Because I own all synthetics. I'm just recirculating synthetic crap, right? So, and I bought in January. And yes, they're synthetics, okay? I was told that by the bank, pretty much. Oh, I'm in 2000? Okay, that's not as bad as you could be. I'm good looking at the... Okay. It's all good. If you want to write me an email to tell me your position, what your entry, but I'm going to use this. You actually are helping people with this, man. I'm trying to make this into a positive here for you. I know you can't, but... So, this is what AMC looked like, okay? 100%. At the 72, before the 72, when it was at the top, okay, in that pump, okay, because that can be classed as a pump. The diagram looks like it. It wasn't a squeeze or anything. It was a pump up, okay. So this is what it looks like now. See that? See that? See this? See this? See that? It looks like this. The squeeze will be about a month and a half, okay. Not for us, not for the people on the Wolfpack and Froggy's channel, and the people that that haven't been psychologically fucked over. That's hard to get rid of that. They actually believe it's going to go to $1 million a share, right? So I just wanted to, Cam, buying time. Okay, I'm going to buy some shares then. I hate the lag, I know. There's nothing we can do about it, dude. And the only way we can do it is the server. So thanks, guys, for getting him my merch stuff. So this is what I mean. I gotta explain this. Okay, this was like this before. Okay, now it's like this. because of Al and Lou and Zane. Okay, these are all bag holders. Okay, and it even could be worse. It could drag out even more. So this would have been about 4 days to 2 week squeeze. I can't count the week. You don't count the weekends. Okay, we don't know exactly, but depends on the algorithm. I got to see the algo first. Like I said, there's 2 different types of algorithm on this planet to deal with stocks. Okay, there's the violent V type, and then there's the curvature round, the mellow. Okay, there is no other type. Okay, I know that because my bot runs off of it, and I'm not going to get into. I should actually do a video on the algorithm about how the vibrations they move and stuff. It's kind of like a radio wave. So, anyways, just wanted to show you that. So this is like it now. Okay, these are all the bag holders. We got out of here. The average person will get out up here that is educated, okay, and that is pulled emotions out of it and fear, okay, as much as they can. And greed is number 1. I'm not saying sell cheap. I'm saying that don't screw yourself. There's only one shot at this, okay. And my pack knows what I'm selling at, okay, and I won't sell it here. So I just want to be very clear. This is going to be bag holding. This is going to hurt you bad. Okay. I'm not saying sell, because we're going to make up to 2 to 3 times as much on this squeeze without swing trading it. Okay. With some of these tools, and the pack knows what I'm talking about. I've made some of these, I've invented some stuff. Check Brenda's message. Okay. It will a little bit. Depends on the... Brenda, is there any... Oh, Pranthian was on here. Is there any way you can find out what the purity of the gold is and silver that's coming out of there? Whoa, look at this. The squeeze indicator just went off on this. It's not. It's false. It's false reading. Oh, it's because I'm moving this down. Brenda, I can actually tell you if they're going to use it. Hands on. Like, I'm an expert on gold and silver. Okay? You guys all know I'm a prospector, right? I've been doing it for my whole life. I've made a video on it, right? So I can tell by the purities if they will use it and what it is cut with, what the impurities in it, because depends on what extraction process there is. It has to be really close to pure, right? And it can't have certain contaminants in it because they don't conduct gold. Yeah, I know, I seen it. Thanks, Brenda. Awesome. So I just want to say that about the bag holders here. It's sad. It hurts me. It really hurts. That's why I keep on doing this daily, and I'm dumping up to 12 to 14 hours pushing this out, right? It's not for me. It's for you guys. It's for you guys, okay? That's the only reason why I do this. Right? Why would I give all my money away from YouTube? And I gave like probably I probably spent $1,000 today buying tablets for the mods, shirts, right? So it's not that I'm trying to prove anything. I don't need to prove shit. It's just how it is. It'll never change. You're in the GME? Doug, shit. I have stuff. Send me an email. I don't want to talk about on here about it. I can help you out, brother. I need you to talk to you. cstrades101@gmail.com. We can talk, okay? Not that I'm giving you money or anything like that. I got some information that can help you. So I'm gonna stay away from this because of I don't want anybody getting into this, and that's just my position on this. I'm gonna buy some shares right now of AMC. Doug's already got his position in this. We already know, but I don't want him to disclose his entry and exit point. The exit. I'm gonna go over and beyond and help this gentleman, okay, as much as I can. No, it's country pride. It's the whole market, my friend. That's why I just let all these clickbait videos come out. They're all wrong. Okay, I'm not saying that I know the information. I just let it roll out in front of me. Sundial's up 9% right now. So yeah, Doug, I'll talk to you, brother. I like your style, man. Sundial growers. There we go. Look, there we go. Oh, thanks, Glock. There's the knife edge. There you guys go. There's what the squeeze will look like. Okay, this was a pump. Okay, this was the meme or the Reddit pump. We actually talked about that. We're not going to call it anymore like that because it's not. It's just a pump, right? So this was a volume pump. Okay, this is the knife edge, the double-edged sword. Brenda knows about double-edged swords. She's the lady of knives, swords, queen of swords. So this is the double-edged knife, sword, edge, the razor's edge. I call it the razor's edge. Okay, this is the up pull, and we're gonna have more candles in this. I'm on the 1 day. Actually, what it will look like on the 1 minute. Ah, shit, that's not gonna work. So the reason why I go through this stuff is this is knowledge that should be talked about. This should be common knowledge on a stock thing before you do anything. Okay, this is what you need. You need to know what your dangers are. Okay, like it's like going out into the Everglades where the alligators are with a stake wrapped around your neck. Oh yeah, okay, go jump in there. Oh, okay, well, not asking is there any alligators here? You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't make like jumping into or like a stream and without asking, hey, is there piranhas in here or anything dangerous that can hurt me? That's what I'm saying. So this is it. Knife edge. They're all like this. Every squeeze is like this in history. Okay, it is very. There's hardly anybody that I know will never reach this point. Okay, it's only like a 0.5% that it gets the point. It's like only like 1 or 2 people will get that point, the tip. Don't shoot for the tip. Okay, it's just you're gonna shoot yourself in the foot. Don't do it. Okay, it's a false image. Okay, it's gonna. How can I word that? You're not shooting for the stars. You're actually digging a hole. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to hit for this upper tier. Okay, because you're gonna have to lock and load and sell your shares. There's no way we're gonna have a couple points like this. Okay. And yeah, I just want to be very clear on that. Wow, I just wish I could help more people with this bag holding thing. You guys know what YOLO means, right? There's going to be a lot of it. There's going to be all the good stories. There's going to be more. Okay, there's only going to be a quarter of good stories compared to all the bad stories on this. Okay, I hate to say that, but it's sad. It's sad. It's all because of social media. Okay, not that I know everything, but I'm backed by like 8 other people on this. Okay. Not that I have everything I'm learning, but I've taken it upon myself to be one of these specialists, right? So, I'm just reading your comments, and I just wanted to make sure that, and like Froggy's the options, he says he's not a specialist. The fucking guy knows what he's doing. He's a specialist in my eyes. Okay. Oh, I swear, Miss Harris, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to get a Wolfpack bar of soap. Look at everybody's laughing now because they know I just messed up. Okay, so anyways, I'm done going over that stuff. There was some more ticker that I kind of wanted to really get into that because we don't talk enough about that. And there's a lot of like I said, we're broadcasted all over the world. I just hope that it gets out to more people. Yeah, that's all I want. That's all I want. Sanjay, I read that. That's up to him. It is what it is. Oh, have you seen Jeffrey around? Jeffrey won our membership package for free, eh? He's on the channel, on the server now, Sanjay. Our buddy Jeffrey. Yeah, he won that 5,000 or whatever. Not 5,000, but that sub. Remember I said that at certain levels I give things away? Well, he won that for hitting that threshold on our sub count. So I'm just reading it. Guys want to hit capitals at the bottom if I miss anything. Doug, you did? I just got a lot of comments here. This is over above average for sure. And I'm also going through three different things to get these. It's going through YouTube Streamlabs, from my computer Streamlabs to the YouTube. So it's going through 3 different things of software. Alpha Wolf. Thanks, guys. Mr. Alpha Wolf. Mr. Alpha Wolf. Mr. Simpson. Cameron Simpson. Oh, you're at 49 cents? You bought it? Oh, dude, you're not that bad then. Oh, that's not bad. I just read that now. Okay, I can't find it, guys. You're going to have to smash that out again to me. I'm sorry. I'm just cowering because of Miss Harris here. I have so much respect. Okay, we're having this negative pull down. I talked about this before, and that's why the market's turning red right now. Okay, it's going to get closer to lunch. You're going to see it even worse. There it is, ADGI. Okay, that's what I was. I knew it was something, but I just didn't want to start speculating here. Oh, wow. Oh, did you hear that? That's titanium plates on bone. It pops like that. Sometimes it feels good. Sometimes I get this jolt that I'm paralyzed. I get paralyzed for a millisecond. I can't feel anything in my body because it's on my spinal cord. It's crazy. But the doctor, the specialist said, don't worry about it. Okay, whatever. He said it's not permanent. It's just, it's called a shocker, like a shock onto the spinal cord. Okay, here we go. Okay. Thank you, Brandon. I need to find the purity of the product. Like, what is it? You probably won't. Most people won't understanding it because it's a formula. I will look into it. I'm gonna write that down. Thanks, Doug. Okay, you right now. I don't have social media, only YouTube and email. Yeah, that's so good. Do it on email, man. CS Trades 101. It's probably all the way up in CS Trades 101 on gmail.com. It does work out great, dude. I didn't know your position was that. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you how to double your money on that. Those 50-cent stocks like that, or 50 cents or like 80 cents, and they flux, like they're flux stocks, I call them. They're penny stocks. Those you can make way more money on than the ones at blue chips stocks. They're easier to buy. You can buy more. You can double down on them easier. They move more because there's a smaller float on them when they get good news. They're easier to pull out of fast. And if you want to know more about it, you know what to do, right? But yeah, that's where I make my money. That's how I paid my house off, is on the 4 different plays I paid my whole house off on that COVID pill. I forget what it was. I've made 100 in 1 month, just over 100 grand, over an 80-cent increase of a stock. 83% it fluctuates on a curvature wave, and it did it 3-4 times a day. It was insane. Yeah, and I gotta watch what I say on here. So, but that is correct, so I can say it on here. Like, that's real information. I've showed it before. I've showed the stock as a Tarnazaraz. I would not, if it was me, I would stay the hell away from it. They're in a lawsuit right now. So I just pulled the pin. This is up 40% right now. Okay, I want to disclose that on these penny stocks, you can make friggin' killing on them. Yeah, I was blown away. I couldn't believe it. And that was when I first tested my 3-system selling feature, and it was insane, right? And that's a good story. And yes, I've lost money. I'm very transparent on it. My average is about 80-90% now compared to what it was. It was the other way around. Because I was a new trader. That was years ago. That's good. My paranoia kept me from losing more. So I'm just writing this down right now. Okay, so let's get into this. Sorry. I was just writing that down. Okay. Be right back. Not a problem, Doug. What the fuck is going on here? Therapist. Okay. So that's pretty high for a therapeutic thing. What did they invent? Something? Let's have a look here. No dividend. Low flow. It's up 45% right now. It was at $78 before, and it's down at $5. I would. That's shit. What did they get involved in a lawsuit? This is an intentional push here. There must have been. There's no quarters out. Is it? Oh, it's heading up on its quarter. That can't have that much of a go. So let's pull this back to the 1 minute. So it's a retail, or no, it's not. It was an institution. Yeah, this is a false hope. That's what this is. Stay the hell away from this one if it was me. I would not play with this. Yeah. So what they're doing is letting it run, ladder attacking it, run. There must be options or something on this. There must be something happening because they're not letting it run above this channel today. Yeah, right there. There it is right there. I caught it. There's the channel. There it is right there. Oops, a little bit right there. Yep, there it is right there. I bet you that won't crack that today. Yeah, it's riding on the VWAP. So there's something happening at the 574. In between 574 and the 551. Let's check this out. There you go. 550. 550. What did I say? 554? That's pretty. Fuck, how did it? No, I can't be that accurate. No. Messiah here. And then I'm learning things on this. I'm new to this option thing, right? And I'll never do options. I'm too, Froggy says it's very lucrative once you get the hang of it. And I'm saying you got to be a pro on this stuff because a lot of people have lost on this. This is a very lucrative business for Citadel. Okay. They're one of the biggest in the world on options trading. Okay. Just be very careful. See, I don't even know what any of this stuff means. I gotta learn. Like, I'm very, very green on this. But my predictions on my channeling was all off of stock stuff. They switched the screen now. I can't do it I could. For the last 6 months, I knew what the price was going to be on Friday, and I have thousands of people to vouch for that. Except the last 2 weeks, I was off because they did something to it. I don't know what the hell they did, but that was on AMC. Not that I was trading at all. So it was crazy. But then something switched in AMC, which is good. I see. That's what I said. Something is changing in AMC. This was 2 weeks ago. I noticed this. I said it's. I don't know if it's bad or good. And then I noticed it was good. I'm not going to say I knew this was going to happen like this because I didn't. I knew things were changing. And this, myself and Froggy were talking about this about a week ago. Something is going on right now. And then all of a sudden it started climbing. Right. So, not that we have a crystal ball or anything, but we see things, right? Because this is our baby, right? AMC is our baby. You're a miner as well. Right on. Hey, that's cool. Mine's loose box detector and the whole 9 yards left. Really? You're not in Canada, are you? Do you ever come up here? Because there's a bunch of us. There's a bunch of us going out prospecting from the channel. I'm taking them up to some places where there's gold all over here. Tons of it. Right down in the river here. 6 kilometers from me. Google Fraser River. I made a video on Fraser River, British Columbia. It was one of the biggest gold rushes in the world. Twice. And back then they couldn't harvest the gold. They used dredgers and big things that they don't have the stuff like we do. Now I pick all the shrapnel up. It's not. You can't get rich unless you hit the main vein. But it's a cool little hobby. Oh, yeah. It's the biggest business in the world is options trading. The amount of people that lose is phenomenal. And it's very addictive. Okay, what was that, Doug? Cam, do you think they have the power to take the squeeze away? I don't understand the squeeze away, bro. Like the buy button? Fuck yeah. Yeah, they can totally justify that because of the fraud. Wayne Wood, I see the ticker symbol. Yes, and nobody will get sued. They can do that, and they have the full right to do that because of fraud. A judge will indict that because they have to pull the equation to stop it. When fraud is committed in Canada and the States, the catalyst or the entity that is causing that fraud has to be pulled out of this equation first. If it's the person committing it, they get grabbed and taken out of the equation, and then they deal with the disaster afterwards. With the stock market, it would be synthetics, right? It would be the thing causing the synthetics. Buying is the thing that's putting synthetics out there, right? So they'll pull that away, and then they'll deal with the bullshit afterwards. Okay, it's 100%. I've got second year law here. I know how it works, and it is what it is, right? You can't change it. It is what it is. Those laws are like stone, okay? And there's case law that they'll use on it. And I just want to be very clear on that. It's not going to be pulled right away. We don't know a date on it. But when these brokers, there's going to be 3/4 of the brokers are going to go bankrupt. Okay, we all know that. Maybe even more, right? And why do you think they're making these rules up that they have to have all this money in their kit and caboodle in their holdings? These smaller brokers can't afford that. A lot of them have just fuck this. Oh, sorry, Ma. Said screw this. We can't compete with these bigger brokers. You read the newspaper articles. It's happening all the time. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to jump in another ticker here. I'm shutting her down. Oh, was I have a meeting with anybody? Did I have a meeting with any of you guys live today? Oh, CSI. Shit. Damn it. Sorry, CSI. I'll go over and above for the subs, and I always forget about creators. I'm bad like that. Okay, I gotta wrap this. Wolfpack. I gotta give him a half an hour. Brenda, do you have a fast connection to CSI? Do you want to tell him to give me a second? I'm gonna send you a link. Can you send him that link? Because does he work right now? The Donut Master 5000. Okay, so let's put this ticky in here. Let's get some ticky. Get ticky with it. Do. Oh, dude, Boston Strong. I got to get off here, and I'm just looking up another one for Wayne Wood. Just give me a second. I hate saying no to you guys. Oh, that won't work. See why? Yeah, I'm just gonna smash through this one. Okay. Wow, the server's just lit right now. No volume, first thing I see, and that's an open market. Especially coming out of the gates here, and there's nothing, but it did have a pull up, right? So it must be, what is this? I'm saying the same thing, pharmaceutical, cloud-based, e-commerce, marketing, right there, email, mobile trans, there you go. You can tell by just looking at this volume. Cyber intelligence, web hosting, so it's a cloud-based software. Technology, I could just tell by looking at just the volume. I could tell. Usually, that I don't use that. That's from experience. I would not use that, but it's an indicator for sure. But you need more to that than it. That's why I'm in here doing this. I just want to be very clear on that. No dividend. So I look at the same stuff verbatim. 19.6. There's about 100%, 100. 70%, 12, that's 14, that's so 130% difference in the flux. 3 million, there you go. That's why 5 million shares up. That's why this is easy to move this stock. Okay, so that could be concerning. Let's jump into the charts. Let's do a pullback on the 30. Any institutional pushes and collapses during the day? Nope. Retail push, beautiful. Ooh, that's sexy, that one. I like that. Yep, nothing wrong with that. I don't care if it bleeds during the night and rips during the day, as long as it doesn't go too far down. No, that's all nice. I see beautiful stuff. Somebody screwed the retail investors over big time. That's hilarious. I wish there was more of that. and then it pumps after. Oh, this is beautiful. This is almost worth making a thumbnail on. Ah, this is kind of cool. I would like that for a poster, actually. It's called Getting Even. So what happened here is we had a just before market closed, like literally a huge sell-off, like within like probably 5 minutes. It looks like I'm on the 30, so probably like 10-minute sell-off, like just bleed, like crazy. Then it had a more pull down. Then obviously some people started covering their buying in a bit. They couldn't even move. They should be able to move it. It's a low stock. Then as market opens, smash, the retail investors jump on it again, and then punch it, like punch the gas. Then around here, what time would that be? Yeah, around here you got your some retailer or day traders are pulling their positions like myself. I pull early, okay? I don't hold. I pull like 9:30, 10, and because I make fractionals. Right? Fractionals over a year adds up to tons of money. I don't care what anybody says. And then here's your day traders right here pulling at the end, right? And then just it bled on them like that. Look at that. That's I don't mind the stock. It's a little bit. Let's do a little bit more on it. Yeah, it's consistent like that. Ooh, that's a little scary. That was a busy day. Ooh, there was a lot of action in there. So they hammered it down. That's pure. That's definitely them. That's definitely the powers to be, or the powers that want to be. Oh, we're still doing a test meeting in 30 minutes. I gotta go, guys. Sorry, Wolfpack, love ya. Booyah. Bango schwango. Not panicking. No need to be a mess. You got, yeah. What are you pan? Working and voice to text. Christopher. Oh, okay. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I can't cover the last one. You're a patch member. Boston. I will do it privately for you. Okay, if you need me to. Brenda, I'm going to send you a stream link. I'm off the server. I'm only doing a test run. So say 10 o'clock. I'm going to send you a stream link, okay, to Google Meet. I do need to talk to him about those memberships he bought for the channel and the video chat. It's just that it can't work. You can't just buy our stuff. You can't buy it like that. It doesn't work like that. It has to be registered through YouTube and through the server. They're all connected. Okay. So, yeah, it is. And yeah, and he doesn't know that. And I never explained that to anybody because I don't want to push the channel. Like I was a guest, right? So it all is like that. It's encrypted. It's guarded like that for your guys' protection. Okay, we just don't let anybody in the server, which I don't care like about what that, but it has to be done a certain way. It has to be done through YouTube. That's how it's all cross-checked. Okay, not that they're connected at all like that way, but Wolfpack, keep that bleep real. Peace. That was for you, Ma.